Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to change Google Gemini language. So guys, first thing that you will do is just simply go ahead and go to the top right corner, which is your profile icon, and go for the manage your Google account. And after that, just simply go ahead and go for the personal info on the left side of the screen. And now from here, if we scroll down, you should be able to see here language. So just simply click on this. And from here, just simply click on add another language. Just simply search your language over here that you prefer. And after that, just simply click on save. And just simply click on this icon over here. And after that, it will be on your preferred language. And just simply go to Gemini and just simply click on refresh over here. And as you can see, it will be in your preferred language. And let's say I'm gonna go for a question, and from here you should be able to have your Gemini as your preferred language. And now if you want to go back, you can just simply click on this one over here, and it will automatically change into English or your preferred language. And there you go. See ya.